Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how we can easily change or set up the PNB ATM card PIN if we don't have SMS balance in our SIM card, and we can receive SMS on our SIM card, and using the ATM machine we can change the PIN or create the PIN for the first time. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the ATM machine, and after that insert the ATM into the ATM machine, and now click on the left side button, that is create or change PIN option over there. When we click on that, it will show you that OTP generation. Click on that, and after that you will receive a SMS on your mobile phone by SMS, and you will receive a OTP. After that you have to cancel all the things, and after that again you have to insert the ATM card into the ATM machine, and it will ask you many things. Then from you have to choose again create or change PIN option over there. After that you will see the both options, OTP generation and OTP validation. Now you have to click on OTP validation, and it will ask you the received OTP. You have to enter that OTP, and after that click on yes. When you click on yes, where it will ask you about the new ATM pin, you have to enter new ATM pin which you want to set for your ATM card. It will ask you again for re-entering the ATM pin. When you enter the pin again, it will show you that successfully you have changed the ATM pin, and that's the process how you can easily change the ATM pin of your ATM of PNB, or you can create or generate again a ATM pin. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.